Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Olivia. As a moderator, thank you for joining us today. On behalf of our group, I would like to welcome you to our presentation. Today, our group like to present our project entitled How IoT-based weather monitoring system work. Weather data is essential in many areas such as agriculture, environmental monitoring, and research. Through this presentation, we will explain how IoT technology helps collect and process weather data efficiently. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce our presentation flow. Each member will present a different part of system. So now let's move on to the background of the problem. I would like to invite our first presentator, to start the presentation. Christiana Desi.
Before I start, has anyone ever noticed how unpredictable the weather can be? Weather can just significantly affect daily activities and agriculture. Traditional weather monitoring system often rely on manual observation. This process can be slow and inefficient. In many cases, weather data is not available in real time. This can lead to delayed decision making. Therefore, a smarter monitoring solution is needed. IoT technology provides an effective solution to this problem. With IoT, data can be collected automatically and continuously. This improves accuracy and efficiency. That is the main background behind this project. Next.
Okay, thank you for the explanation, Anna. Now that we have discussed the background, let's continue with an overview of the IoT product. I would like to invite our second presenter, Fani Karunia.
Okay, thank you, moderator. In this part of the presentation, I'd like to give an overview of the IoT product. The IoT-based weather monitoring system is designed to collect environmental data automatically. It uses various sensors to measure weather conditions. These include temperature, humidity, wind speed, and wind direction. The collected data is transmitted through a communication data. Users can access the data remotely through a dashboard. The system operates continuously without manual input. Overall, the product provides a modern and efficient modern solution. Overall, this product provides a modern and efficient weather monitoring solution. Next.
That was a clear overview of the system. Thank you, Fani. Next, let's take a closer look at the main function and IoT components. Please welcome our third presenter, Pak Nurul Fitria.
Now let's talk about the main function of the system. The first function is collecting data from weather sensors. The system measures environmental parameters continuously. Another function is real-time data transmission. The system also stores data for future analysis. This allows users to observe whether the trends over time. Data visualization is another important function. The dashboard presents information clearly and efficiently. Now let's move on the IoT components used in the system. The system consists of weather sensors and a router. The router acts as the communication layer. Data is sent to an MQTT broker called Mosquito. MQTT is a lightweight protocol suitable for IoT system. The data is then stored in a MySQL database. Finally, Node.js is used to display the data on a web dashboard.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. Now let's see how the system works and discuss its advantage and disadvantage. I would like to invite our fourth presenter, which is the last, Dewi Sakti Anggraini.
Okay, thank you. How the system works? Now, I will explain how to the system works. First, the sensors collect weather data from the environment. Then, the data is sent to the router. After that, the router forwards the data to the MyKTT broker. The MyKTT broker distributes the data to subscribe service. Next, the data is stored in the MySQL database. Finally, the Node.js dashboard displays the data in real time. Now, let's discuss the advantages of the system. One major advantage is real-time monitoring. User can access data remotely from anywhere. The system also provides accurate and organized data. However, the system also has some disadvantages. It requires a stable internet connection. The initial setup costs can be relatively high. Regular sensor maintenance is as required. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dewi. So that's bring us to the conclusion of our presentation. Based on our discussion, an IoT-based weather monitoring system is an automatic system used to monitor any environmental condition. So the system works by collecting data through sensor. The data then transmits use the MQTT protocol. After that, the data is stored in a database. And finally, the information is displayed on the web-based dashboard. This system allows users to monitor weather condition in real time and remotely. To conclude our presentation, we have explained how the IoT-based weather monitoring system works as an automated and intelligent solution. The system integrates sensor, communications, protocols, database, and web-based dashboard to deliver real-time and environmental data. Through this technology, weather monitoring becomes more accurate, efficient, and accessible. We hope this presentation has provided a clear understanding of the system and its practical application. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.